today, I got a special package. Here it is. Can you tell by this little drawing I put on it what we're going to be unboxing today? Well, of course you can, because you read the title, you saw the thumbnail. We're going to be unboxing Windows 98. Hopefully. So it says Microsoft Windows 98 upgrade for Windows user. I don't know if it's first edition or second edition. Well, I guess we're gonna have to see. I can feel it. And yeah, and the last operating system I unboxed was Windows XP Home Edition. So this is also gonna be pretty cool. And I think the next one we'll get is either Windows 95 or Windows NT 4.0. But yeah, Windows 98. Oh yes, and Happy Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve. Yep, tomorrow's Christmas, so I'm gonna have some juicy presents to unbox, and hey, who knows, I could do another unboxing video on those. So here it is. I'm gonna go get the scissors, so. Here they are. No, let's pray that we didn't get them like half empty. Well, I can see the blue. And I can see the 98. Look at this, it's like my Christmas present, except it's not Christmas. Come on. Look at that, Windows 98. You know, that one version that got referenced in Family Guy?
Genius? Let's just fire up Windows 98.
There, and look at this, Windows 98. Let's see what's in here. I actually thought these was like I felt the box and I thought they were like scratches, but no, the box actually has like some texture to it. You can feel the Windows logo and the Windows 98 text. Pretty cool touch. It's an upgrade copy for users of Windows. So it's not like for PCs without Windows. Compatible with programs for Windows 95, Windows 3.1, Windows for Workgroups, and MS-DOS. Well, let's see what's in this. But first, let's take a look at the box. Ooh. Improve and expand your PC experience with Windows 98. Enhance your productivity and redefine your PC's possibilities using Microsoft Windows 98 operating system. Automatically tune up your PC, plug it instantly and use. Works better, plays better. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's some more product placement right there. So you can get like Microsoft Plus for Windows 98. So it enhances this version from Windows 98 to Windows 98 Plus. So. Also, I read a little forum on the Beta Archive forums that said Windows 98 didn't really introduce any new features. But here's the thing. I don't think this guy's ever used Windows 98 before, because that guy, I don't think he's used Windows 98 before, because it has new features. It has DirectX 5.0. It has, I think it had the TV channel at one point. There was, I can't list any off the top of my head right now. Look at that, there it is, CD-ROMs. So this came on CD-ROMs, but of course not all the computers that's a part of Windows 98 had CD-ROM drives. So if you needed floppies, you could get floppies, but it would take a lot more work to install Windows 98. There we go, we got the box open. this was, I don't want to tear any contents inside, so. Oh, there it is. Set aside that cool little box, and let's see what's inside. Now, with Windows XP, everything came in the box, but will this version have it as well? How do I open this? Oh, I'm a dumbass. I just opened it like, whoop, that. And there it is. There's the Windows 98 disc inside of its jewel case and the product key. Can't see it, but yeah, it's a product key. And let's open it. It's kind of torn up there. Let's see, it's kind of torn up there. Oh. Here it is. Here's our Windows 98 disc. Whoa. Now this is just amazing. Holographics. Oh. So yeah, cool. So yeah, I think it's already cool having virtual versions of these Windows operating systems, but having physical versions of them, that's a whole different level. Awesome. And here is the Windows 98 manual. Getting started. Alright, time for a little bedtime reading. Select the web style browsing option. Yeah, everything is already. Look at this. Ooh. Nice. And 100 hours of AOL 4.0. Oh, you shouldn't have. 100 free hours of America Online 4.0. Explain your first month. Version 4.0 available in the US only. Version 3.0 available in Canada. Man, you really... Come on, you have to disrespect my country like that? Ugh. And, ooh, what's this? Start clicking here. Microsoft Windows 98, your PC, and the internet. Some things just click. See what they did there? And I just tend to put these back in the box, as well as our super thick user manual. By the way, can I tell you how much I love this artwork? Look at this. You see the glowing Windows logo right there? Microsoft Windows 98. Windows 98, I mean, it wasn't supposed to be a brand new game-changing release like Windows 95, but it was just supposed to be some improvements to Windows 95, and it felt like a modern version of Windows 95. It had like new sounds, and it had a new startup that sounded like a modern refresh version of 95 startup sound. And I suppose it back in like 1998, 99, if you had Windows 95, you were the loser. Time to put it back in its shiny, nice little box. some things are just not clicking. Oh, these flaps. I hate these little flaps. I have to open these little flaps in order to put it in there so I can just close it nicely. There we go. Windows 98 is back in its box. So yeah, I'm also thinking about doing a video where I install Windows 98 from this really, from the actual disk. I think this would be a pretty cool video. So, thank you for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you later. Bye. Alright, Windows 98, you go on with Windows XP on the software shelf. Yeah!